Hi, I'm Peter Sefton and I've been a designer maker for over 30 years and a teacher for almost 20. My interest in furniture was sparked through my grandfather, who was a cabinet maker and joiner, and then from an inspirational teacher who took us to exhibitions including John Makepeace and Ray Key. When I started out as a journeyman after college, a lot of the industry in England was based around reproduction and restoration. But I was fortunate to go into the bespoke designer maker market, which has continued to flourish and remains very strong in its level of design, skill and innovation. I worked for many years for the London and international market, but gradually became more involved with teaching. I set up my furniture making school in 2009, and we teach fast-track full-time courses with most of our graduates gaining places within craft workshops. I also run short courses for beginners and intermediates. I follow in the footsteps of the arts and crafts movement, which was born and developed here within the Cotswolds. Their ethos of quality design and the best use of materials set the scene for our industry and are the values I strive for within my own teaching and making. I very much enjoy using traditional elements within contemporary design, and I'm always looking to apply the most appropriate constructional techniques with the very best materials available, as master craftsmen always have. I teach in the tradition of Gimpson and the Barnsleys and Gordon Russell, drawing the most out of both hand tools and machines to create the highest quality designer bespoke furniture that we can. I hope to share my experience and my knowledge so that you can enjoy woodworking as much as I have for the past 30 years.